mine. To get a little closer would be so divine. And every time I see you, you make me come undone. I always want you near me. In you I found the one.
Your ID.
Wow! You two are fantastic. You are so studious.
No, but we still have low grades. Yeah.
No, you can still do it.
We still need to study harder than ever. We must get that high and perfect grades that we've been aiming for so long. Yeah, if we can only eat these books just to gain knowledge, then without doubt, we will do it. But we can. But we still have to memorize thousands of books and info.
What are you looking at?
Wow!
Grabe you! You did that to a girl? Cool! You're awesome! You're a real guy! See? There are lots of them. Idol you! Grabe ka! Oh, Miss, is this yours? What's your name?
Yeah.
Oh, Pia! Someone told you that it's so beautiful.
And I'm gorgeous, pretty, beautiful? Not yet, and I don't care.
What if Chuba Chubalu and Nagada something like that? Pia! Pia! Can you give me a smile?
No, and it won't happen.
Grabe! Even she's frowning. She looks like smiling. Astig! Love niya ata ako.
Naalala ko ba nung nililigawan pa lamang kita, dadalaw tuwing gabi, masilayan lamang ang iyong mga ngiti at ika'y sasabihan.
Get out!
Nang alas
Get away!
tagpuan, buo ang
You want me to subo-subo you?
marinig ko lang ang mahinig mo. Hindi ko man alam kung nasan ka. Wala man tayong komunikasyon. Maghihintay sa'yo buong magdamag.
That's all I want.
I'm sorry.
Napakahirap ang galing laging umaasa na maibalik ang pag-ibig na nawala. At kahit na ako sa puso mo'y kinalimutan na, kahit na may kasama ka na iba, ikaw pa rin ang nag-iisang mamahalin sa tuwina. At kahit masakit, okay lang aking sinta, basta makita lang masaya.
Hello? Where are you now? Oh yes, I'm coming.
Kalagayan mo, iba-iba nung ako pa ang kasama mo. Sa kanyang tabi, laging langit ang mundo mo, pero patuloy umaasa, sana balikan mo ako. Kahit na may kasama ka na iba, ikaw pa rin.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let's take a picture. Who's gonna take the picture? No, not me.
I don't want to.
Not me either.
No, I
Wait.
have an idea. Let's play the game, the so-called Kulub Hayang. Ready?
Yeah.
Parisanay. Parisanay. Parisanay.
Oh, jeez, this isn't working. We need someone gonna take a picture. Hey, Kuya, can you take us a picture?
Huh? Oh, sure. Is that your best man? Is that all you can do? Let me ask you, how long have you been friends?
Almost 10 years.
Yeah, that's right. 10 years.
Someone already told you the first. You know what? You're gorgeous. You have a very beautiful eyes, a very good face. You remind me of my mother. She said, time is precious, so we must make everything.
Go back.
No, but she said, time is precious. So we must make those every person we meet happy.
Wait.
You know, you're a good kid.
Bro! No? Pia? She smiles.
did everything just to make you smile, but nothing happened.
2 months ago, my sister was so depressed. And because of that, I was affected too. Since then, I forgot to smile, to be happy, and I don't feel right. One day, there is this guy who approached my sister and told her that time is so precious and we must make those every person happy. Then suddenly, my sister remembered what her dad told her to make her smile again. And I know that you're the only person that can. I look for you everywhere. You show places that you love to go, but you're not there. I've fallen in love with you. You're the only person who brought back your smile on my face.
Are you sure? But how about my heart?